Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. It's Hot Wing Wednesday. Yeah, it's Hot Wing Wednesday. Yeah, it's Hot Wing Wednesday. Yes, it's Hot Wing Wednesday, guys. I hope that you guys are doing amazing, because I'm doing amazing. Put your comments down below. Let me know how you're doing. In the meantime, don't forget to tap and tap again the like, share, and subscribe button and that notification bell, guys. You already know by the title what I got here. Okay? These are spicy. Yeah. Yes, I stuck my finger in to taste them. Oh my God. Anyway, I was feeling lazy. I didn't want to walk up to the supermarket to get any soda. Any salsa water. So I just took out a bottle of water, guys. All right? Really simple. All right? No fun today. I'm going to miss out on Big Bertha and my fun. Okay? But like I said, let me know how you're doing in the comments below, guys. I'm doing amazing, and I can't wait. Come on, guys. Let's I already know. You listen, extra, read all about it. Extra, read all about it. Okay. We need smell-o-vision. We need smell-o-vision. It's spicy. Oh, yes. Oh, my God. So, the avocado that I showed you guys, my mother wound up opening it yesterday for my brother. I got a piece. It's so big, I just took one slice. Oh, excuse me. I knew it. Oh, I got hiccups. Greedy. Stop being greedy. Oh, it's nice and cold. Oh, it's nice and cold. Whoa. Come on, take that bite. But do you see that? Do you see that? Right off the bone. Guys, I always say this in the end of my videos, but I'm gonna say it soon. It's only been a little bit. Guys, you know I love you guys so much. Please believe that. Okay? And if you watch my videos all the way through, kudos. I'm doing what I do at the end of my videos in the beginning, because a lot of people don't watch all the way through. And I just want to thank everyone that puts beautiful comments down. Everyone that has subscribed, guys. I'm on my way to 500. And I'm not going to stop saying it until I get there. I'm not. It's spicy. Ooh. Oh my God, D. Oh my God. I can't make it up. I can't make it up. Can't do it. I cannot make it up. Look at, oh my God. I just gotta move this because you, it's spicy. It's cleaving up my sinuses. Yeah, today I made these wings extra spicy. Avocado. It's so good. Oh my God, if you don't eat avocado, get it in your life. Get it in your life. Okay? And you don't like the way it tastes, put a little bit of salt on it. Lemon. Where did I put my napkin? Oh. This is spicy. Wow. Okay now. But you know I love it like that. Oh Lord, I know I was gonna make a mess. Look at the juiciness. Look at the juiciness. But can you smell it? But can you taste it? Oh my God, dude. Oh my goodness. Help me, Jesus. Oh, spicy. Then I went, on top of it being already spicy, I went and I added, you know, that sauce that I've had, the sweet chili sauce. I've been trying it on everything, guys. Even rice. I threw some in there too. Hey, look at that. Now wings, you know, the little chunks of chicken that fall off, you know, and stay in the pot. I scrape it up. I scrape it while I'm plating. I scrape that up and I throw that in there too. Why not? Why not? Oh. Oh. Let me wipe my nose so first. Oh my God. And room for more. Hey, that was a small one. And room for more. Hey, and room for more. Oh my goodness. It's something. You guys can tell my mood is different. Yes, I'm upbeat and I'm positive and I'm enjoying my food, but I have a thought in my mind that I've been, you know, dealing with, and it is what it is. So if my mood is a little off, I'm sorry. And room for more. Hey, and room for more. Hey, and room for more. That one was a big one. Oh, I love it when I burp. It does give you room for more. You want, you know, it makes room. It takes that gas out. And you got room for more. It's really what it is. I don't know what this is. This is not a wing. And if it was, it must have broke. And they just threw it like that in the bag. Because when I looked at it, when I was cleaning the chicken, then I looked at it and I said, and I looked at the bone. I said, okay, Where's the other half at? Where's the other half at? I never found it. Oh. I don't really have much to say today, but to keep your mind positive. Always keep your mind positive, no matter what's going on around you, no matter what anybody's doing to you or saying to you. Keep your mind positive, okay? Keep your goals up front, okay? You keep your goals up front, okay? And you don't let nothing or anybody take you out of character, take you out of course from your goals, okay? And I'm saying this because that thought is in the back of my mind, okay, about somebody that I'm dealing with currently. Right? And I don't want to mention their names. They watch my video. You know who you are. Okay? And I love them very, very, very much. I do. You know, I'm not going to say that I don't love this person. I do love this person. Okay? But, you know, it's certain things that you get tired of. You know, especially a person like me that is been in recovery and that longs and drives on a daily basis for peace. You understand what I'm saying to you? I long for this every day. Peace. Okay? Peace. And this person is not understanding it, you know, and I don't know. I'm making a decision, and I don't know if me and this person will ever work out. I don't think we ever will work out. You know, because it's a constant bringing up the, you know, like things over, the same things, repetitive, the same thing over and over again. And trust me, a person gets tired. Okay, now, if I would have been on drugs, if I would have been, you know, in the street and using drugs, F it. But I'm not. Okay? I turned my life to Jesus. Okay? I pray every day. All right? I do the right thing every single day of my life. I wake up every morning and I put my life in God's hands every day. Okay? And I pray for peace in my life. And anybody that's coming my way or that's, you know, in my circle is not providing peace and is providing the opposite of what I want, yeah, I'm about to make a decision. Seriously. My family's watching the video talking about who she's talking about. Who is she talking about? Well, it's my business. Whoever I'm talking about, that person knows who I'm talking about. I'm done. I'm full. I'm full. Guys, thank you for being here. Thank you for watching me. If you watched me all the way through, you already know, as you saw it in the beginning of the video, kudos. Because you could have been doing something else, you know, but you watched me, and I'm grateful. Guys, I am grateful. I love you very, very much. All right? And I'll see you next time. That was spicy. It clears up your sinuses, guys. And I'm not going to blow my nose here on camera. But I love you. And I'll see you next time. Bye.